Broken suitcase. Here's what to do when disaster strikes. A quick guide to the best UK luggage brands for a reliable replacement. All it takes is a lost wheel, a burst zip, or a loose handle for all your valuable possessions to be put at major risk while traveling. So here are 10 top UK luggage brands that you can go to in a hurry for a worthy replacement. 1. Antler. A British luggage company that has been in business since 1914. Their luggage is known for being durable and reliable, with a 10-year international warranty for peace of mind. 2. Radley. A designer brand that specializes in handbags and luggage. Their luggage is known for its stylish design and quality craftsmanship. 3. Eastpak. A British brand that has been making luggage since the 1950s. Their luggage is known for being durable and functional, and they offer a 30-year warranty on all regular products. 4. Globe-Trotter. A luxury luggage brand that was established in the UK in 1897, known for its classic design, high-quality construction and, in particular, a rugged durability. 5. Tripp. An affordable luggage brand in a range of styles and colours, known for being lightweight and stylish. Their products come with a 5-year warranty. 6. Carlton. A top UK luggage brand popular with business travellers, which has been making luggage since the 1970s. Their luggage is known for being durable and reliable, with outlets in 60 countries. 7. Ted Baker. An iconic British fashion brand, their luggage is known for its stylish and unique design characteristics and durable materials. 8. It Luggage. Established in London in 1985, this budget brand that offers simple luggage in a variety of styles and colours. Their luggage is easy to find in high street stores. 9. Kipling. A British brand that makes luggage, handbags, and accessories. Their luggage is known for its colourful designs and functional features, with a range of sizes and styles to choose from. 10. Aerolite. A UK-based luggage brand that offers an affordable range of luggage, with a particular emphasis on being lightweight and manoeuvrable.